How to head to knee pose ABC or Janu Shirsasana ABC. Begin in a seated pose for a Janu Shirsasana A. Bend the left leg and extend the right leg forward. The sole of the foot of the bent leg rests against the inner thigh of the straight leg, with the heel close to the groin. Stay to inhale and exhale to fold. You may use a strap to reach your foot forward. Let's do the other side. Inhale, bend the right leg and extend the left leg forward. Exhale to fold. Let's do Janu Shirsasana B. Bend the right leg with hips lifted, then shift it forward and lowered so that the anus rests on the heel of the bent leg. In my case, I wasn't able to lift my hip, and it's okay. Now switch to the other leg. Inhale and exhale to fold. Let's do the Janu Shirsasana C. Begin with your left leg bent and right leg extend forward. The sole of the foot of the bent leg is placed against the inner thigh of the straight leg, pointing down, with the toes tucked under and grounded on the floor. Switch to the other leg. Right leg bent and toes tucked under. Exhale to fold. All three variations of the Janu Shirsasana are performed in sequence in the primary series of the Ashtanga Yoga. It is a good pose to relieve stress and anxiety.